Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Natalie if you're new here, and today we're gonna do some makeup. You know why? Because I just got my hair done and your girl is feeling herself. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it before I start yapping my behind off. You know what I mean? But I absolutely love my hair. The initial, when I first had my hair done, I had it with the leave out, but girl, I'm like, I need that closure back. And being that it's the holidays, I really don't want to do too much touching up. I love to do overnight curls. So I'll probably do that for the next couple of weeks because I'll probably more likely get my hair redone. And so, not hair redone, I'll get my lace touched up. That's usually what I do. Anyway, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So far, this has been my favorite. I've been using this for over a year now. It's one of my favorites. And then we're just gonna jump in it fast because for one, I only got 40 minutes left on this SD card. So I'm like, you know what, let's do a video. You know what, I'm gonna go in with the brush. I really wanna go in with a pressing flat brush. So let's go in with like this foundation brush. This is from Real Technique. I think this is like more of a stippling brush. Nope, it's a glow round brush. So you can use it however you want, I guess. So I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Fitting Powder in the color, not sure, but it's definitely on the darker side. It's more towards my skin tone. Ooh, this counter is so messy. I learned this technique from Jackie Arena, literally the GOAT. I love how her makeup turned out. I just love how it sometimes look minimal, and then like how she adds on if she really wants that like full glam, or she can keep it as is and keep it to where it's soft glam, no makeup. But I don't think I've ever really seen her do no makeup look. I really think I've seen her, you know, as the kids say, put that shit on. Yeah, so after you do that, I'm gonna go in with a setting spray, which this is the BCBGeneration Ultra Glow Primer and Setting Spray. And being that it's also a primer, I figured it'd be the best thing to set this. If you have a fan, it'll help. Oh, turn it around, right? It'll help dry everything down. I got this from TikTok Shop. It's called Beard Club One Day Beard Color. I got this because it's gonna last long as a brow filling. And these people wanted to send it to me. I'm like, well, I know you know I'm a woman, so yeah, go ahead and send it to me because I may be able to use it. So they sent it to me, and then I asked my husband if he wanted to use it, but it's too light for his beard anyway. My husband's beard is really dark black. So I was just like, well, you know what, let me use it on my eyebrows. And I like this scent. It's very subtle. I mean, you can go heavy-handed if you need to, but I like it. I'm trying to see if I want to do this a subtle makeup look, or if I actually want to like go in full glam. I'm thinking a subtle makeup look because not everybody likes to do makeup or add makeup or want to go buy all these darn equipment. I'm sorry, all that beauty stuff, because it adds up. It adds up, girl. So I understand if you're not one of the ones going to spend all that money, because me neither. After I do my eyebrows, I'm going in with this MAC concealer. I forget what they're called. They're called Studio Finish Concealer. So this color, the color I have here is NW45. I'm going to assume this is NW47 because it's exactly my skin tone, I feel. I'm going to fill in my brows. And this makeup look is perfect for like holiday parties, if you want to be subtle, and then like if you want, you can add like a pop of like red, or like even add like some sort of sparkly eyeshadow, which we'll probably do today. I typically do not do eyeshadow, to be honest with you, because I feel like they never come out right, but we're gonna test it out today. So yeah, you just fill it in, just kind of like clean up your eyebrows. I need my eyebrows done, to be honest. What is something you guys are looking forward to Christmas? Like, is there a gift that you hope someone gets you? Or like if it's past Christmas when you see this, like is there something that you really wanted and somebody got you? Like let me know. Give me the tea down in the comments below. And also, is there like something where like for the new year, what is something you want to work on? You know, like, you know, I want to work on, I just kind of want to keep showing up for myself. That's what I want to do. I feel like we get to a point where we get so easily burnt out. Hence, like why you don't really hear my business as much, because I slowed down a lot on that. Yeah, I'm really big on like slowing down now, and I want to continue on that path for 2026. So now we're going with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Chai. The only difference that I would do for like a full glam is foundation and then more concealer. Well, and color correcting, but girl, where is my, I'm trying to figure out how did this, oh no, I hope it didn't dry out. Nope, it didn't. I may do red. I thought it may have dried out. I'm not sure how my makeup fell, but I came in the room, I seen everything on the floor. Well, not everything, but like all my makeup stuff on the floor. I'm like, what the hell? Oh, I'm sorry. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the color Blush Pate. If you watch any of my other makeup videos, you know that I use this a lot. I like a lot of the e.l.f. blushes. I do have Juvia's Place blushes as well. They're very pigmented, but if you want something more subtle, e.l.f. is definitely a good foundation. I mean, a good blush. All right, it's sat in for like a minute. If you want it to sit a little longer, you can. I'm gonna go in with the primer setting, and I'm gonna spray my face and dry it down just a bit. And then we'll go in with a concealer brush and then just kind of like start blending that out from like the outer bottom and then work your way up. Trust the process, trust the process. All right, so I know it looks crazy right now, but again, trust the process. I'm gonna spray it again. And I'm going with the brush this time. I'm sorry, I said brush. I meant beauty blender. I honestly don't know where I got this beauty blender from, but you can use any beauty blender that you have. And then after that, once you know for sure that you've put all your liquids on, like your foundation, your concealer, your liquid blush, etc., etc., then you go in with powder. I'm going in with the One Size powder. I'm gonna dip that in, and we're gonna press it on our skin so it's evenly dispersed. And then you, what's the word for it? Set. I'm sorry, I couldn't think of the damn word. And then you set your under eye. Okay, looks crazy, but we're getting there. Being that I did kind of like a red blush, we're gonna go in with this brush. I think I got this from Ross. And we're gonna go in with this magenta type of blush. And if you want more of a full glam, I do have that video coming soon. And again, I know you guys see me do my makeup before, but I'm gonna repeat this again for the people in the back. I like to smile when putting on my blush. It just kind of gives me more an idea like where I want the blush placement. Okay. And I didn't do bronzer earlier, but I am going to do it now. I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place bronzer. And where's my brushes? Okay, we're gonna do this brush. We're gonna go in with this. This is more of like a bronze. Okay, just go like this. Bronze up the face. Bronze the face, baby. And then after that, I just go in, I pinch the brush, and then just kind of like scope my nose. I'm going with the same primer setting. Let that dry. If I knew where my fan was, I'd dry it with my fan. And once that dries down, you get a big powder brush and you go in with your best finishing powder. I have a couple of them. I can either use MAC, I can use NARS, I can use whichever one. What am I gonna use today? I'm gonna go in with NARS. Is this the dark one? This is the NARS Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder. And then you're gonna, the excess, and then you're gonna go in. You're gonna set everything. I did say I was gonna do, because I was gonna do eyeshadow, right? Never too late. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat eyeshadow. And I'm gonna just do something really, really, really subtle, which I'm gonna go with Heist. Yeah, we're gonna go in with Heist. I'm just gonna grab this. Normally, you shouldn't do it like this, but whatever. I want something a little bit neutral. Okay, now that that's on, I'm gonna go in with Strike. It's kind of dark, but this is Strike. And then I'm just gonna pack it on right here. All right, and then I'm just gonna get a big fluffy brush, go back in with Strike, and then just, that's it. I think when it comes to like, depending on like what you're trying to do, if you're trying to do something extra, it really just depends, because I don't know why I'd be so scared of eyeshadow when technically all you gotta do is just get 2 colors, make it neutral, and then that's it. And before I even do anything with eyes, I go in with the Makeup Revolution Setting Super Hold Spray. Let that dry down. And then go in with the One Size Until Dawn Setting Spray. Just make sure you don't open your eyes when you spray that one. After that, you can either add lashes, do mascara. I'm just gonna do mascara. I ain't adding lashes like that. That's it. And of course, can't forget lips. This is Rimmel Waterproof Eye Definer, but I'm going in with the as my lip liner. And then that's it. I'm just gonna add lip gloss. I'm gonna add, this is a pretty lip gloss. I got this from, I think, I'm not sure, Forever 21 a little while back before they even closed. And they're called Lip Plumper. That's it. that is my simple makeup tutorial. This kind of reminds me of the video I made for my birthday earlier this year. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. But yeah, I did my makeup with you guys while I talked about things I learned in my 30s. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys, I'm not even gonna say if you guys want, I will deliver with a full glam with lashes and all that stuff. Now that I'm looking at it, I can add the same thing I did for my lip liner. I could do for my eyes actually. Kind of makes my eyes pop a little more. Here we go. I feel like I could do a little better. What do you guys think? I'm telling you, man, once you get your hair done, you start feeling yourself, your nails is done, you just take care of all your maintenance, like the confidence is there. Like, boo, you're not ugly. You just need your hair done. That's it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I just feel like me again, like the bad bee that I am. And I hope you feel the same way too. So if you like me and you've been feeling bummy for the last couple of weeks, go get your hair done, go get your nails done, throw on a cute little outfit, go take some pictures and be that girl that you know you are, okay? You know you're that girl. You know you're that girl, okay? So anyway, toodaloo.